In this video, I'll be showing you apps that pay you just for using them. Okay, you can make over $150 every minute just by using them. Okay, there are some payments proof. Okay, people receiving payments using these apps. Okay, so this is my paper balance. Okay, one of my paper balance I used to receive money by working on this app. So I'll be showing the three apps now. Okay, so before I show you, if this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on this channel. Okay, so the first app here, the number one app I'm showing you here is Cashkarma.com. Okay, .io. So you earn free cash and gift card. Okay, you earn reward by completing surveys and more. The only reward app that lets you earn reward even if you don't qualify for the survey. Okay, so there is no qualification survey. Okay, so even though you don't get approved, like qualify for a survey, you still be able to take it and earn money from it. Okay, and something I love about this app is when you install the app, you earn 200 points. Okay, so if you want to download the app, just tap on get cashkarma.com, just click on this and you able to download the app. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you see you can redeem your points using paper cash or Amazon gift card. Okay, which everybody know about paper. Okay, paper is stuff used by payment method used by everybody, and Amazon, okay, you can use it to shop online. Okay, so you get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badge. Okay, complete 5 folders, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points. Okay, and increase your reward level each time you earn an earning badge. Okay, go there's level 1 to level 4. You can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. So the more you use this app, you work on this app, your badge tends to like increase. That means your level, and if your level increase, you earn more, and this is something you won't want to miss out on. Okay, so this is a very good app to start making money online. Okay, because you can just go over to the app and start working. Okay, there are a lot of surveys, videos to watch. Okay, so the second app I'll be showing you here is get paid to. Okay, get paid to come. Okay, so what I love about this app is there are lots of things you can do here. Okay, so earn money every time you go online. Okay, earn GBT point, that's get paid to. Okay, points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Okay, so let's go by here step by step. Okay, yeah, let me guide you through. So the first way you can make money is answer survey. You get paid for your opinion. Okay, can be survey about marketing stuff or game or economy. Okay, so any survey you answer, and that way you can make money again is through games. Okay, so games, normal, everybody love playing game, but you just play game without getting paid. But this platform will pay you just for playing games online. Okay, so you can just use it and start making money. Okay, play games you love online and get paid for it. That's double enjoyment. The third way you can make money on this website is quick points. Okay, you do quick tasks like maybe watching video, liking an image, but basically watching videos, and you earn easy points. And the last way you can earn on this website is offer wars. Okay, offer wars just like someone similar to surveys, but it's quite different. You say you complete some taxes. Okay, so how does this work? Okay, do taxes, fill in surveys, watch video, play games, and more. You earn 5,000 points equals to $1. Okay, get ready for your time and redeem through cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift card. Okay, and these are the kind of fun live game you can play. Okay, Candy, or this like Candy Crush, something similar to that. There's a card game. Okay, there's a nice smash game. Okay, so you can tap here to see all games. Okay, and if you scroll down for paying surveys, you can see, so these are survey hosts. Okay, your surveys, opinion capital, theorem reach. Okay, so you get your views heard and start getting paid for your time spent online. Okay, they have many best survey provider. Okay, and for the offer awards, these are the offer awards provider. Okay, and these are very popular. If you go to other survey app, okay, you see all this kind of provider over there. Okay, so you see AdGate Media, AdSense Media, okay, Warner Ads. So there are many. So there are limited offers available and can make maximum money from it. Okay, so another way you can earn again, the quick points from watching music videos, advert, trailer to feeling capture. Okay, there's a wealth of money earning opportunity here. Okay, so you won't want to miss out on this. Okay, so like short links, time wall, auto solve, nice phone news, hideout TV. Okay, these are the quick points provider. Okay, so all your favorite cash out points you can cash out with bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrency, Amazon gift card, PayPal, or Vodafone Cash. Okay, this is something, there's a lot like 6 payment method you can use, and you can't tell me you don't have any of this. Okay, so come to this website, get paid to, and start making money doing simple stuff online. Okay, so if I show you the last website, please remember that if you are not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new video on this channel. So for the last website here, number 3 is addwallet, okay, .com. Okay, brands want your attention, make them buy it. Okay, get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction may takes just a few minutes and it's worth up to $3. Okay, so if you want to learn how it works more, you can click on this video. You watch a 45 seconds video. Okay, are you want to sign up? Tap on this sign up button here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you earn money online from your favorite brands. Okay, you watch videos, receive tests when it's time to log in to watch videos. So you receive a notification when it's time to watch videos, so you don't have to be on the app all the time. Okay, get rewarded, earn minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction. You see, and earn more money. Earn additional $1 for every friend you refer, plus download offers from brand you love. Okay, it's very easy. So you will earn $1 from friends you refer. Quite very interesting. And when you reach $10, you can cash out. Okay, no cash, no gimmicks, no confusing point system. It's real cash. Okay, so you can see the amount they have rewarded people in the past 12 months. Okay, you can see how cool is it. Okay, it's easy to get paid to watch videos and complete surveys. Okay, so I think you can receive your money via prepaid Mastercard, gift card, or you can donate your money to charity. Okay, so these are some reviews from people who love this ad wallet. Okay, you can tap here to watch their review video. Okay, if you see have doubts about them, okay, I can see the amount brand has spent last year on them. Okay, just for you guys to like, they want you guys opinion on some stuff. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's click on see payouts options. Okay, so these are the payout option. Prepaid Mastercard. Okay, so if you don't understand what prepaid Mastercard is, they'll give you a virtual prepaid Mastercard whereby you have funded the money in the card, so you can use the card anywhere, maybe to fund your paper or to pay for something online. Okay, it's very easy. And gift card, Amazon, and many more. Okay, so I'll be dropping link to this website basically because only this website actually pays for referral. Okay, so I'll drop a link to this website. Kindly just use the link. Okay, so that just shows like as an appreciation for me doing this video for you. Okay, so that will be all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment the country you're watching this video from so I can keep posting content available in your country. So do have a nice day. Take care.